Problem 1. Find 10 log pi to the base 10 from the given data. This is the data given. Okay. Now solution. We have to first prepare the difference table. Now difference table we have this is the y naught. Okay. Now and this is x, so delta y naught means this minus this. Okay, so you can find this difference table. You know how to prepare. So this is this. Now the next one is this, and the next one is this. Now when this is all negative, here there is a change in sign, so you don't take this one. The power of the equation will be 2. So now we know pi is equal to this much. So p is equal to x minus x naught by h. This is x naught is given. This is x minus x naught 3.141. Here is the x naught 3.141. Okay, so x minus x naught divided by the h. H is the difference between the two, means this minus this. So this minus this. So it is the calculation is this one. Okay, so this is p. You know this formula. The formula I have already shown you in the earlier video. You can write down this formula. Okay, now this formula we are just using it. Okay, now if you see, put the value, you will get the answer. For x is equal to pi, just putting the value. So this is the value for log pi to the base 10. Correct up to 9 place. Now this is another problem. The problem is the population of a town in the decennial census, means after 10 years, was as given below. Estimate the population for the year 1895 using Newton's forward interpolation formula. Okay, interpolation method. Now you first find out the difference. This is the population given. Now x is the year 1891, 19 this. So after 10 years. Okay, this is 46 in 1000. 66, 81, 91, 101. Okay, now this is the delta y, means this minus this is 20. Okay, 20, 15, 20. You know how to prepare the difference table. Now all are negative here, but here positive negative. So you just don't take this one. So up to second degree. So you can find out P. X is what? X is which you have to find out. X is 1895. So X is 1895 minus 1891 is x0. This is 10. X0 is there. X0 is given. This is x0. 1891. So 1891 by 10. So this is h. So this is 0.4. Okay. So if this formula is, you can use this formula, the same formula. Okay. Putting the value, x is equal to 1895. Okay. So this is in 54.6 thousand. Okay. Now this is problem number 3. The population chart is given below. Find out the population in million for the year 1981 from the census table. What is the census table? That is already been done. Now from the census table we have, this is the table given, these two figure is given. Okay, this is in million. X is a function of t. Now here the sign changes, so we have to take this up to second degree. Okay, let us assume that population x is equal to, this is the second degree. Okay, you can do in this method or the interpolation method will tell you. So after finding the value of ABC, value of ABC, solving okay. Now so at t is equal to 40 after 40 years, 10, 20, 30, then 1981 is a, so after 40, t is equal to 40, x will be equal to 13.1 million. So thus in 1981 the population in million is equal to 13.1. That is the answer. And by interpolation formula you can also use this. P is equal to this. Okay, then the formula. Okay, then we put the value. This is 1981. Okay, this is the same answer, and this is more easy method to do. Okay, I will just show you to the back. Now this one. Okay, so this is the first page, this is the second page, and this is the third page.